Author Indian Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. The sun begins to set, painted the Delhi sky in soft shade of orange and pink. The airport is crowded as usual, families waiting with suitcase, people rushing with trolleys, coolies shouting in the background. Outside the glass sliding doors, the Sharma family stand in a row dressed in semi-traditional outfit, holding a placard and garlands. The placards reads, Welcome Kim family from Sharma family, Maji. Fixing her dupatta. बस अब फ्लाइट लैंड हो चुकी है. द फ्लाइट हैज़ लैंडेड. दे शुड बी आउट एनी मिनट. Mr. Sharma, calmly holding his phone, let them take their time. Immigration takes long sometimes. Aryan, adjusting his hair in the car mirror. Ma, do I look okay? Should I say Annyeonghaseyo first or Namaste? Aditya, say hello and stop behaving like a fanboy. Ria, I'm excited. I hope Leah Uni noticed my nose ring. Just then the airport slide door opened with a soft swish. The Kim family start walking out slowly, stylish and poised, pulling their luggage. Leah, 23, wearing Indo-Western Korean fusion dress. Wow, look at the garlands. This feels like a K-drama wedding scenes already. Jin, I smell food. Is that butter chicken or heaven? Jimmy laugh. I think it's both. Jungkook, wearing white shirt, nervous but smile. Where is she? Author, his eyes search the crowd and then he sees her, Ayushi, in a pink suit with her dupatta, flirting in breeze, standing near the family. Ayushi has widened with joy as she spots him. She quickly steps forward and runs into his arms. Ayushi, you are here. Jungkook, I told you I'll come and I am never going back without you. Author, Maji. Mrs. Sharma's mouth falls open slightly seeing the hug. Mrs. Sharma whispers to Papaji, अरे ऐसे खुलेआम तो हमारे यहाँ कोई लड़की को नहीं पकड़ता. Papaji smiling, they are just emotional. Let them have their moment. Vayan now step forward politely and graced and mature. Maturity, she holds the garland in one hand and smile warmly at Mrs. Kim and Mr. Kim. Vayan folding her arm, Namaste. I am Vayan Sharma, Ayushi elder sister. We are honored to welcome you to India, Mrs. Kim. Annyeonghaseyo, thank you. It's our honor to be here, Mr. Kim. Your hospitality is already impressive, Dr. Vayan. Author, Jin walks up suddenly, folds his hand dramatically. Jin, Namaste. I am Jin, worldwide handsome, but today I am worldwide hungry. Everyone laughs, even Mr. Kim cracks a slight smile. Jimmy offers gift boxes decorated with Korean wrapping paper. Jimmy, these are small gift for your family, a gesture of thanks from us. Maji accepting with surprise smile. Aryan, वाह कितना संस्कारी है. Aryan, bro, even their gifts smell like imported perfume. Aditya smile and hold the tray. Author, Riya stepped forward with the Aarti Thali, welcome plate, her hands trembling slightly in excitement. She lights the diya, rotated around the Kim family faces and gently placed a red tilak on each forehead. Riya, welcome to India. We hope you feel like family here. Leah in Hindi proudly. बहुत प्यारा welcome, धन्यवाद. Such a lovely welcome, thank you. Aryan nearly faints. Aryan whispers, she speaks Hindi. I mean love already. Maji, okay, enough standing. सब चलिए घर. The food is waiting and are so the gossip aunties. Author, everyone begins walk towards the parking area. Ayushi clutches Jungkook hands shyly. Leah and Ria talk about desi fashion. Jimmy is taking pictures of Rangoli near the car. Jin is already asking about street food. Author, drive to Sharma house. Inside the Sharma family large Innova car, Jungkook and Ayushi sit together in the back seat whispering and laughing softly. Leah and Ria talk non-stop about kurti, mehendi, Netflix dramas. Jimmy asks Aryan about Indian weddings custom. Jin try to learn a Hindi, tongue twisters and from Aditya. Mr. Kim and Papaji discuss business, politics, property rates in Delhi. Mrs. Kim silently observe Wyan Wu sitting quietly in front seat, answering everyone's question calmly, smiling politely but staying reserved. Mrs. Kim, you are doctor? Wyan nodding with a warm smile, yes, MBBS. I am work at AIMS Hospital, medicine in my passion. Mrs. Kim, very proud profession. You are graceful and responsible, a good elder sister. Wyan softly, thank you. That means a lot. Tiang name still has not come up, but fate knows he already flying and something inside Wyan is about to change forever. Authors Evening AIMS Hospital Delhi. The AIMS emergency wing buzzes with activity. Stretchers being moved, beeping machine, nurses speaking quickly in Hindi and English. Inside one of the glass cabins sits Dr. Vayan Sharma wearing a white coat. A stethoscope hangs from her neck and tired look covers her eyes, but her hand is still steady, still strong. Vayan on call with lab. Yes, please push that MRI case to tomorrow morning. I have to leave early today. Family guest is coming. A knock on her door. Her intern Priya walks in holding a file. Priya, ma'am, your OPD is done. You want me to wrap up your reports? Vayan exhaling. Yes, please. I owe you coffee tomorrow. Priya, only coffee, or will you also tell me what this foreign rishta international marriage proposal is really about? Vayan laughing. Shut up. It's my sister marriage, not mine. Her phone buzzes. It's Ma. She picks up quickly. वायन माँ हॉस्पिटल में हूँ सब ठीक है माँ जी बेटा ही इज़ लैंडिंग अर्ली फ्लाइट फ्रॉम टोक्यो अराइव्ड गो पिक हिम अप ना द एल्डर सन किम टेयंग एवरीवन एल्स इज बिजी सेटिंग अप गेस्ट रूम वायन मुझे जाना ही पड़ेगा क्या डू आई हैव टू गो माँ जी हाँ यू आर द एल्डेस्ट एंड ही इज़ द एल्डेस्ट शादी तुम्हारी नहीं है पर संस्कार तो दिखाने पड़ते हैं इट्स नॉट योर वेडिंग बट एटलीस्ट शो द सम कल्चर व्हेन ओके आई लीव हॉस्पिटल राइट नाउ गिव मी 30 minutes शी ग्रैब्स हर पर्स कार कीज एंड वॉल्क्स आउट Author crowd budges around another international flight has landed. People are walking out with suitcase hanging, loved ones, taxis honking outside. Vans stand near the exit gate holding a placard. Mr. Kim Tae-young, Sharma family. She stands tall and graceful in her corset, her expression neutral but eyes observant. Ryan thinking, let's just hope he's not arrogant. Rich CEO type usually are. Author suddenly the crowd shift, people begin murmuring, turning heads, and then he appears. Kim Tae-young walks out of the terminal in slow motion. His dark hair falls perfectly over his forehead. Author eyes sharp, jawline clean, confidence in every step. Ryan breath catches slightly. Ryan, that's him. Author. He spots the placard, walks straight towards her, pulling his cabin bag with a leather briefcase on his shoulder. He stops right in front of her, pulls out his AirPods, and tucks them in his pocket. They stand silence for a second, her holding placard, him scanning her face with a calm but uncredible expression. Tae-young, you are Miss Sharma? Vayan nodding. Yes, Dr. Vayan Sharma, Ayushi, elder sister, I'm here to pick you up. Taeyang, doctor, that's impressive. Vayan, thanks, your family is waiting at our home. Shall we go? Author, he notes once they begin walking together, the parking area, the air between them quiet but charged. Taeyang, you didn't have to come personally. I'm not VIP. When you kind of are, my mom would disown me if I don't. Taeyang, she sounds strict. Vayan, she's just dramatic, pure Indian ma. Author, they reach the car. Vayan unlock it and opens the passenger door. Vayan, front seat or back? And he says front seat. Author, he slide in. She takes the driver's seat. She starts the car. Their silence a comfortable one. Vayan looking at him once as they move. You don't talk much, do you? Taeyang, only when I feel the need to. Vayan, well, let me know if the silence gets awkward. I can sing old Bollywood song. Taeyang, I'll let you know if my ears start bleeding. Author, they both laugh softly, and in that moment, inside a car rolling through Delhi roads, something gentle and unknown begins to form. Not love yet, but a strange interest, a subtle pull. Author, the home is now growing. With fairy lights, rangoli sparkle at the entrance. The air smells of fresh flowers, incense, the desi tarka. The car slowly enters the driveway. Van parks it neatly, takes the breath, and looks towards the house where people can already be seen peeking through the curtains. Van, बस शुरू हो गया. Drama mode on. Taeyang getting out of the car. Nice place, not too flashy, peaceful. Van, wait till you meet everyone. Peace will evaporate. Taeyang looking curious. Got to know. They walk together towards the entrance. Author, everyone is already gathered, standing near the dining table, an entrance like welcoming squad. Mrs. Sharma with a big thali of Aarti, Papaji in kurta adjusting his spaces, Riya adjusting her hair frantically, Aryan and Aditya whispering nonsense, Jimmy, Jin, Leah and Jungkook standing nearby, excited to meet Taeyang. Author, as the door opens, Vayan steps in, all eye go behind her, and then enters Kim Taeyang, tall, calm, black coat with still wrapped over his arm. His deep eyes scan the room slowly. Maji, are baapre, is he businessman or Bollywood hero, Papaji? Both maybe. Vayan stepping aside, Ma Papa. This is Mr. Kim Taeyang, eldest son of the Kim family. Taeyang, Namaste. It's our honor to be here. Mrs. Sharma quickly stepped forward, the aarti plate, clearly trying to hide how impressive she is. Maji holding. Welcome बेटा, बहुत दिन बाद किसी इतने सुंदर लड़के ने तो हमारे घर पैर रखा. Ayan, she didn't say that when we come home yesterday, Aditya, because you didn't come with Korean jawline and Rolex. माजी, कम आपको तो थकान हो रही होगी. You must be tired. Fresh enough food is ready also. Taeyang, thank you auntie. Leah walks and quickly hug him. Oppa, finally. We were waiting for you since morning. Taeyang, did I miss anything important? Jimmy, only 76 laddus and Aryan 38 selfies. Jungkook come forward and hugs his brother briefly. Jungkook, Hayang, thanks for coming. Taeyang, you are getting married. I have to. Author, Mrs. Sharma. Papaji comes forward now with a respectful smile. Papaji, you are very welcome, Taeyang. This is your home now. Please feel comfortable, Taehyung. Thank you, sir. I'll try my best. Van walked slightly away from the group, staying near the corner with a glass of water in her hand, watching calm quiet. Mrs. Sharma suddenly noticed, Arey Van, show him the guest room upstairs na. He must be wanted to keep his bag and freshen up. Van freeze. Me? Taehyung. It's alright, I can find myself, Maji. No. Go beta, she'll show you. She will show you Ria is still making the bedsheet fly like circus, Van says and notes. Author, the room is decorated with simple white bedsheet, fresh flowers on the side table and soft yellow glow from the lamps. The windows are open, daily breeze flying in. Van unlocks the door and opens it. Taehyung enters slowly, observing everything. Taehyung, peaceful. Van walking to the window. Welcome to your temporary space. The view is not Gangnam skyline, but it's real. Taehyung, I like real. He places his coat on the chair, pulls the curtain slightly and looks around. Taehyung, are all Indian families this big and energetic? Van, you have seen nothing. Wait till your name ends up in our family WhatsApp group. They both laugh softly. Taehyung pause. Do you always stay this calm around so much noise? Van, habit when you grow up in a house where 3 cousins, 2 cats and 1 pressure cooker are always making noise. You either go mad or become a monk. Taehyung looking at her silently for a second, then say quietly, Doctor and monk, that's rare combo. Van opens the cupboard door for him, avoid his eyes now. Van, here's space for your clothes, towels on the bed. If you need anything, just ask. But not for a monk advice. Taehyung, noted doctor. Taehyung, you look nice, by the way. The outfit suits you. Van surprised for a second, then answered coolly, Thank you, you don't look bad either for someone who flew all the way from Tokyo. Taehyung, jet lag hides when drama begins. They both smile, awkward but honest. She walks out quietly, her heart beating but just a bit faster than before.